In today's video, I'll show you how to install and set up Plex on your LincPlus NAS. By the end of this guide, you'll have your own personal Netflix-style media server for movies, TV shows, music, and more. What is Plex? Plex is a media server platform that lets you organize and stream your personal media library across different devices. With Plex, you can watch movies and TV shows, stream music, access your media remotely, and organize everything with beautiful posters and metadata. Basically, it turns your NAS into your own private streaming platform. Step 1. Install and configure Plex. Head over to the Apps tab. Search for Plex in Official Plex Container. When the setup page opens, most settings can stay at default. Network type. For the easiest setup, you can use host mode. This helps Plex automatically discover devices on your network. Hardware transcoding. You can enable hardware transcoding for smoother streaming. Under device settings, make sure /transcode is added. This allows Plex to use the Intel GPU for video acceleration. Once everything looks good, click Apply. Step 2. Access Plex. Once Plex is running, open your browser and go to Plex. Then sign in with your Plex account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free. Step 3. Plex Dashboard Overview. Once setup is complete, you'll land on the Plex dashboard. Here's a quick look around. Your Plex dashboard is about to become your new best friend. Check out trending to see what's hyping up globally right now. Keep track of your personal absolute favorites in the watch list, and jump straight into live TV with zero cable needed. Plus, it's the ultimate binge zone for all your favorite movies and shows, alongside an AI-powered Discover page to help you find your next obsession across all platforms. And that's pretty much it. With Plex running on your LincPlus NAS, your NAS is now basically your own personal Netflix.